Are you looking for a business opportunity that is not a get-rich-quick or a multi-level marketing scheme of some sort? I'm talking about asphalt maintenance and repair. Asphalt is absolutely everywhere, and it needs to be maintained. It needs to be repaired. Think about it. All those parking lots that are out there, they end up with cracks that lead to potholes. Those potholes are liability risks. They need to be repaired, and that's where you come in. It is very easy to go out there and make $1,000 to $2,000 a day doing asphalt maintenance and repairs, and then to grow a business into a multi-seven-figure business if you follow the yellow brick road. Over the last 21 years at Asphalt Kingdom, 21 years we've helped people build thriving businesses in the industry. We've got the community of winners that you have access to. We have all of these 5-step close process that you will follow, all of the marketing tools, the sales scripts and strategies that you need, in addition to having something that ties it all together, which is AK-Dash, our CRM and our proposal engine. We've got everything right here at Asphalt Kingdom, whether you're on a shoestring budget of about $5,000 or you're wanting to go enterprise at around that $150,000 mark. We have all the solutions and packages that are right for you to start a business in this recession-resistant business. And by the way, in 2024, there's $165 billion worth of commercial real estate loans coming due. In 2025, there's $1.5 trillion worth of commercial real estate loans coming due. So let me ask you a question. Do you think these commercial companies, these businesses, are going to go and do big capital projects on their parking lots? Absolutely not. They're going to turn to maintenance, the least expensive repairs to maintain their pavement assets in a safe, long-lasting, and great-looking environment, and that's exactly where you come in. This market is underserved. It's a massive opportunity. We've got the yellow brick road for you. Call that number or go ahead and fill out that form by clicking that link right there below.
If you like this video, go ahead and check out this video or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.